Good evening. We are here with Abhishek sir and we are going to take his interview. So sir, tell us something brief about you.
Uh, my name is Abhishek Jain. I'm the co-founder of Noob Games Private Limited. This company is almost 2 years old now, and we are into software development and training business.
How did the started?
Actually, me and my partner Digvijay, we worked in a gaming startup, uh, and we were in a separate department, and we always thought about starting our own venture. And one day we decided why shouldn't we uh, partner up and start something together. So that's how it all started.
Tell us more about your venture.
Our venture, we started as a game development studio. Our plan was to develop games on a mobile platform. Then to get more revenue sources, we started to take client projects, and we did good. But the problem was that we were not able to work on our own products. So because of that, we are right now into training, and there was one more reason to get into training, because we wanted to improve the quality of training in Indore. So, and we were not satisfied by the current quality, and we were finding the skills of developer very, what you can say, immature-ish or not up to the mark. So we wanted to improve the quality of students, and that's why we are into training as well.
What age group do you target for games development or games?
We target basically the 16 to 35 age bracket mainly, because in this age bracket everyone is aware about technology, and basically they are into casual gaming business, because mobile gaming is basically casual gaming. Okay.
What were the failures you faced while startup?
Failures. The first failure was that we were not able to develop our own games on large number of what you can say. Basically, what happened that game development take times, and each game took almost 3 to 4 months to produce. So we were not able to identify the time span. So that's why we had to look for client projects. So that's why probably that was a failure for us, because we started as a gaming studio, but due to unforeseen circumstances we have to change our strategy and change our revenue model.
So everyone has a success mantra. What is yours?
My success mantra would be do what your heart says, because your heart is always right, and if you do something with passion and with all your heart,
Cannot be wrong.
yeah, correct.
So what are your future plans?
My future plan is to go deep into this training field, and we were trying to make kind of like ecosystem for game development in Indore, and because gaming is non-existent in Indore, and there are few gaming startups here. So we wanted to develop the talent pool for that, and we are trying to approach various colleges for that, so that students can get aware about that there is a field called game development as well, and you can enroll yourself, or there may be a platform for you or career option for you. So that is our future plan.
Where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
I have not planned it yet, so not sure about that. But I think probably we will be into product and training based software startup, and I don't think that we will be working in services for long. So that's the current plan.
Definitely prepare for that.